Hey, welcome back to part 2 of this tutorial series. In this part we are going to add some details to our landscape object. Now you can see that it is very smooth and perfect, which is not realistic. So let's do it. First I'm going to add a displacement modifier, then I'll create a new texture, then I'll call this texture texture 1. Then right here on the texture panel, while our texture 1 is selected, I'll add in a cloud texture. Then I'll turn this thing up until we get something like this. Now you can see it's very powerful. So let's turn down our strings to a manageable value. Something like this is nice. And let's try to something like this. Then I'll add a bit down. Okay, the lake should move a bit down, somewhere like this will do a perfect job. Then now let's add the second layer, so you can turn this to 0.15, then that's great. And also you can increase the depth right here, but I don't like to do it now. Right here I'll add in another displacement modifier. Before that, let's tab into my edit mode on our landscape, hit A, U, then maybe let's go over to our top view, A, U, then hit project from view, then right here create a new, then I'll name this texture 2, change this to UV because I am going to use some image textures from online. Then click on this one, then choose texture 2 because we need the texture 2. Then on texture 2 we are going to change this to image or movie. Okay, right here we suddenly change the first modifier to texture 2, just to switch this to texture 1. Then right here let's go over to our texture panel, then let's select my displacement 2, then I'll open my file, I'll choose my displacement map right here, then let's go back. Right here I'll turn my strings to 1, then I'll turn off my first displacement modifier. Then under the mapping you can set this value as you wish, so I'll turn it to 8 for now. Then I'll turn this thing very low like this. Maybe let's fix tiling again. Now let's try something like this, maybe 19 for now. Then let's turn this to 0.1, then that is pretty nice. So now when we turn this thing, you can see that it is really great. And the only thing that I'm going to do is turning the strength to 0.1 for the first displacement. I'll call this image dis for image displacement, and that's it. Now we have something that we like, and also you can add more to it. That's all to you, and see you in the next part 3. So see you around.